The phone is allegedly due to launch in India around December 15th. Interestingly, it's said to pack a larger battery than the global model's 4,800 mAh cell, while retaining the 5.99mm slimness somehow. Below you can see the purported colorways that are launching in India. The price will be under 35,000 Indian rupees. The Motorola Edge 70 has a 6.7-inch 1220 by 2712 OLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate and 4,500 nit peak brightness. The Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 SoC at the helm, 12 GB of RAM, 256/512 GB of storage, a 50MP main camera with OIS, a 50MP ultra-wide with autofocus, a 50MP selfie camera, and it runs Android 16 with 4 major OS updates promised.